Okay, so this is second revision I'm taking today, chapter 5, and the name of the chapter is natural numbers and whole numbers. Okay, so let us start. So question 1 is 837 plus 208 plus 363. So we have to add these three numbers by suitable rearrangement. Means first we have to rearrange these numbers, then we have to add. We cannot add them directly with each other. You getting my point? For example, we have to add such a number so that we can get any round of number. If, for example, either you should get 1000 or 100 or 10,000 or something like that. Okay, so for example, part A, 837 plus 208 plus 306. When the question says find the sum by suitable rearrangement, that means we have to arrange these numbers. So I'm arranging 837 with 363 first, then I will add 208. Okay, so this is 208. Now if I add 837 with 363, what I will get? 7 plus 3 0, 1 carry, 6 plus 3 9, or 1 carry 10, again 1 carry, 8 plus 1 9, or 2 3 12. Okay, 1200. This is what I have. What is the answer? Okay, so now we have to add 208 in this. So what will be the answer? The answer is going to be 8041. Okay, 1408. 1408. This is the answer. Is it okay? Now B part. In B part, what we have to do, we are given four numbers. So as you can see, how are you going to identify? How are you going to decide that which number should be added with the which number? So exactly what you have to do is, as you can see here, the unit number is 2 here and the unit number is 8 here. So 8 plus 2 is 10. This is the hint for you. On the other hand, 3 and 7 is 10. So this is a hint for you. Okay, so in this way you are going to understand, you are going to identify which number you are going to add with which. Okay, so 1962 plus 453 plus 1000 1538 plus 647. So I'm going to write 1962 with 647. Then I am going to write 453 plus 1538. Now students, if we add these two numbers, what I will get? I will get, okay, I have done something. I have done a mistake here. What I have to do is, I should write these numbers with each other. Okay, so I'm going to write 1962 with this. Okay, so 1538 plus 453 plus 647. Is it okay? Now add these two numbers. So 8 plus 2 10, 3 plus 6 9, carry 1 10, again 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 5 15, 1 carry and 3. So 3500 plus. Now add these two numbers. So 7 plus 3 0, 1 carry. Okay, so 5 plus 4 9, again 0, 1 carry, and 11. The these are the numbers. Now add both of them and you'll get 5 plus 1 6 and 3 plus 1 4. So 4,500. Is it the right answer? Question second. So start with question second now. Find the product by suitable arrangement. Now in this question we have to find the product. Product means multiply, okay? By suitable arrangement. Now 2 into 1768 into 50. So what I am going to do is I'm going to multiply 2 into 50 then into 1768. So what is the benefit? As you can see, 2 into 50 is 100. So write 100 into 1768. Now you don't have to multiply. You just have to write two zeros. Okay, 1768 and two additional zeros. So this is the answer. So in this way, if you are adding or you are finding the product by the suitable arrangement, the question becomes very easy for you. You don't have to do actually the multiplication or complex calculation. You don't have to do. Okay, it becomes very simple. For example, 4 into 166 into 25. So what are you going to do? How are you going to arrange them? So I'm going to write 4 into 25 into 166. Now 4 into 25 is what? 4 into 25 is 100. Okay, so 100 into 166. So the answer is 16600. Okay, now next question. 625 multiply 279 multiply 16. So arrange. How are you going to arrange? So I'm going to write 625 multiply by 16 multiply by 279 students. So what you will get if you will multiply 625 into 16? So do it in rough. 625 into 16. So this is the answer. Okay. So this is what? You'll get 10500 into 279. Multiply 10,000 to 279. So 279 and 4 zeros. This will be the answer. Okay. Next, part E. 285 multiply by 5 multiply by 60. So 285 multiply by, what should I do? Shall I multiply 285 by 5 or shall I multiply 285 with 60? By which number shall I multiply 285? So if I multiply 285 into 60, then I multiply it by 5. So I will get 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, okay. 6 8s are 48 plus 3, 51. 5 carry, 6 2s are 12 plus 5, 17. Okay, and 1 0. Now multiply by 5. So I will get, okay, so what I will get here, 0, 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 3 carry, 5 ones are 5 plus 3, 8. So this is the answer. Okay. Is it clear? Shall I explain F part? Part F. 125 multiply by 40 multiply by 8 multiply by 25. So just multiply 125 with 8, 125 into 8 and 40 into 25. So when you will multiply 125 with 8, you'll get 1000. Okay, 1000. And when you will multiply 25 by 4, again you will get 1000. So 1000 plus 1000, sorry, this is multiply, not plus, this is multiply. So 1000 multiply by 1000, you will get 60. That means 10 lakh. Okay. Anirudh is saying if that I'm not audible. Am I audible to everyone or not? Okay. So maybe there's some problem. You just leave and join the class again. Okay. Find the value of the following. Question 3. Find the value of the following. So students, these two questions are very simple. Let us do question 1. 297 multiplied by 17 plus 297 multiplied by 3. Now look at this question again. This is very important question. 297 plus 297 and multiply 98, 92 multiply by 8. Okay. So now as you can see here that which number is common? Which number is common if you can see? First of all, there are two terms. Okay. How many terms are there? There are two terms. This is first term and this is second term. There are two terms and which number in which number is common in both the terms? Which number is common? 297 is common. Very good, Bisma. 297 is common. So write 297, which is common, and then place a bracket. Inside the bracket, write the numbers which are not common, which I have shown with red color. Write 92 and this plus 8. Is it okay? This term is very important to understand how I have done this. First of all, what you have to see that which is common. Paris, do you want to go out of the class? If you want to go out of the class, then tell me. 297 is common, so I have written it outside the bracket, then multiply, then all the non-common numbers I will write inside the bracket. Okay. So now I am going to write 297 multiply by 92 plus 8, 92 plus 8, 100. Okay. Now multiply 297 into 100. Okay. doesn't matter. I'm just changing the question. Now the question is 297 multiplied by 92 plus 297 multiplied by 8. Now this is the question. Okay. Is it okay? Now your answer is going to be 297 and 20 means 29,700. This is the answer. Now let's do this question which was given us earlier. Again, question A, 297 plus 297 and then multiply 17 and here multiply by 3. So what I will do is I will take the common number outside the bracket. Okay. So 297 I'm writing outside the bracket, and inside the bracket I will write the number which are not common, or you can say with blue color. So 17 and this plus and then 3. Okay. So 297 multiplied by 17 plus 20 is 17 plus 3 is 20. So now multiply 297 by 20. 5,940. Is it okay? Question 3 says find the value of the following. Okay. Part C, sorry. 81,265 multiplied by 169 minus 8,120, 81,265 multiplied by 69. Now which number is common? As you can see, this number is common, 81,265, 81,265. So what I will write, I'll write 81,265 outside the bracket, and then inside the bracket 169 minus 69. So 81,265 multiplied by 100. So the answer is 81,26500. Students, I hope it is clear. Now part D is 3,845 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 782 plus 769 into 25 into 218. Okay. So how many terms are there? First of all, look at the terms. How many terms are there? In algebra, I have told you how to identify the given terms. So it is, this expression contains how many terms? This is one term and this is another term. So there are two terms. Okay. There are two terms. So what you have to do is, as you can see that there's no number which is common here. Now what you have to do is write 300, write 300, 3,845 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 782 plus write 769, and this 25, write 5 into 5. I have written this 25 to 5 into 5 into 218. So what I am going to do is write 3845 multiply by 5 multiply by 782 plus, now multiply these two numbers, okay? So 769 into 5. So you will get this into 5 into 218. Now as you can see that which is common in both the term. Which is common in both the term. So this is common and this is common, okay? So 3845 into 5 is common in both the terms. So we just write the common term outside the bracket and inside the bracket the numbers which are not common, plus this plus into 218. Fine. So students, now what are you going to do? You are going to add the numbers which are inside the bracket. So 782 plus 218. 1000. Okay, now multiply these three numbers and tell me the answer fast. So if you'll multiply 3845 by 5, what you will get? You will get okay. So your answer is going to be 19225,000. This is the answer. Do this and write your answer in the comment box, everyone.